Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Kansa Anifah. I'm an English education student from Jambi University and my student number is A1B223019. I make this video for my Psychology Digital Kependidikan final exam, and this video is about cyberbullying causes, impacts, and solutions. I will start to talk about the definition and the causes. Cyberbullying is the act of harassing, intimidating, or harming others through digital communication channels such as social media or messaging apps. It entails frequent and intentional behavior targeted at someone, causing them mental anguish or humiliation, spreading rumors, exposing private information, impersonation threats, or posting objectionable content online are all examples of cyberbullying. It is a deliberate and repeated injury caused by the use of computers, cell phones, and other electronic gadgets. Nevertheless, not all harmful behavior among teenagers is bullying. Firstly, bullying must be intentional, not accidental. Bullying is intentional and repetitive harm to others, and accidental harm is not bullying. For example, in isolated events, neglecting someone individually and accidentally cannot be considered bullying, and if there is a repeated threat, that is the condition for bullying. Secondly, harassing mirrors a personal conduct standard as opposite to only a secluded occasion. The main difference lies in the frequency of occurrence. For instance, a single argument or brawl with a person may not be bullying, but if someone is insulted and beaten several times by the same person for several days, weeks, or months, it is bullying. And next, I will talk about impact of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying might have long-lasting negative physical, mental, and emotional effects for teens, like dejection, anxiety, diminished self-esteem, depression, suicidal behaviors and thoughts, stomach illness, sleep difficulties, and sleeping disorders. First, cyberbullying and suicidal conduct. Several researchers have investigated the association between cyberbullying and suicidal behavior in adolescents, discovering that those who are subjected to online bullying are bound to engage in self-harm and suicide behaviors. Previous research surveyed all individuals under the age of 18 who presented to the emergency rooms of Kingston General or Hotel Dieu hospitals in Kingston, Canada between January 2011 and January 2015. Age, gender, abuse history, bullying history, type, and duration of bullying, and diagnosis were all documented. And then cyberbullying and physical impacts. There are 3 examples of physical impacts of cyberbullying. There is eating disorders, and the study compared the case group and the control group, age 13 to 18 years old, and found that the case group scored significantly higher in terms of bullying behaviors than the control group. And then sleeping disturbances. Any disruptions to regular sleep patterns such as trouble falling asleep, frequent awakenings, and poor sleep quality are referred to as sleep disorders. A study by Hunduja and Pechin investigated the relationship between victims by victims of online bullying and various social and psychological variables using American middle and high school students as samples. Next, gastrointestinal problems. Gastrointestinal problems and online bullying may seem unrelated, but research suggests an indirect relationship between them. Online bullying can have a detrimental effect on a person's mental health. Just like other types of bullying, according to research, the stress and worry brought on by cyberbullying can have an impact on how well the digestive system works. When a person is under long-term stress, their body releases stress hormones, which can disrupt the digestive process and cause symptoms such as abdominal pain, nausea, altered bowel movements, or increases gastric acid secretion. And last, not last, the solution. For parents, solutions for parents. The peer study emphasizes that parents play a crucial role in preventing online bullying. As reported by the paper, one protective element is parents monitoring and participating in their children's internet activity. Research shows that teenagers whose parents actively monitor their use of digital media are less likely to participate in online bullying incidents. In addition, this article emphasizes the importance of communication between parents and children regarding online behaviors. Parents have discussed the dangers of online bullying with children and established clear rules and consequences. That kind of children are unlikely to participate in online bullying. And then solutions for the victims. Firstly, the victim should remain calm and not be provoked by the attacker's words or actions. Avoiding making impulsive responses. At the same time, they should save all relevant evidence as much as possible, such as chat records, comments, and images. These pieces of evidence are significant in subsequent reporting or seeking help. In addition, victims can protect themselves by quickly blackmailing or blocking the attackers to avoid direct contact with them. They can also avoid further attacks by not responding to the attacker comments. Furthermore, victims can ask for help from others when they are unable to handle the situations. Last, solutions for teachers. Teachers can discuss the issue of online bullying in class, raise students' awareness, and teach them how to protect their own and others' safety, thus preventing students from participating in or being subjected to online bullying. Additionally, teachers can organize online security education activities and invite experts, police officers, and other relevant personnel to give lectures to increase students' prevention awareness of online bullying. In conclusion, cyberbullying is the act of using digital communication platforms to harm, intimidate, and harass individuals. It can have serious and long-lasting negative effects on teens, including emotional distress, decreased self-esteem, anxiety, depression, and even suicidal thoughts and behaviors. The persistence, secrecy, and difficulty in dealing of cyberbullying make it particularly harmful. Eating disorders, sleep difficulties, and gastrointestinal problems are all physical effects related to online bullying. To solve the problem of cyberbullying, various solutions can be implemented.